Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, my name is Latina Marie and welcome. So today I'm going to be practicing a smoky eye. I'm not really good at doing smoky eyes, so this is kind of exciting to me. I want to do kind of just a neutral smoky eye, just something really subtle. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into it. I'm going to do my foundation and everything. So yeah, so today I was playing around with my foundation and tried mixing two foundations, which was the Fenty Beauty, which I explained in my last video, which if you have not seen, I will link that down in the description box. You guys can go and check that out. This comes off really red and then it gets really dark. And I have some Maybelline New York Dream Velvet Soft Matte in 94 Classic Coconut. It says coconut. And I'm gonna mix the two because I like the way that it turned out earlier. Hopefully this won't be a miss. It was a great hit earlier. Hopefully we can get the same results. I feel like this mix is so perfect. Like, completely perfect. They're both supposed to be matte makeups, matte foundations, so that helps them blend together, I feel like, and the colors just are perfect. Next I'm going in with Maybelline New York concealer in the shade 55 Hazelnut. I just got this today from Target and I'm really excited about it. I feel like this is really bright, but I feel like it's gonna work out though. It's gonna work. It's gonna work. Something that I normally never do, but I see people do all the time, is put on their concealer and then their contour and mix it all together. I've never done that, so I'm going to attempt to see what that turns out to be on me. I've never tried that technique, but I'm trying to find a perfect foundation routine, so maybe this might be something that works for me. I don't know. Again, I'm going in with the Shea Moisture. It's Cocoa, in the shade Cocoa. This is just a darker foundation because I do not have a contour on hand. I'll get one though. I'm going to put that on the back of my hand. I'm going to use my hand for this. I normally put my contour kind of high. Today I'm going to try to bring it down a bit and see if that makes a difference. And then just gonna put a few little dots. And then of course under the jaw. And I'm gonna go in with this brush from SK. Actually, scratch that. Scratch that. I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty sponge and see how that works. This concealer was really orange, but is it weird that I like it? I feel like I have a golden undertone, so the orange really works for me for my concealer. I don't think doing colors with red undertones work for me. That's just what I think I'm learning. What I think I'm learning. I think we might have something here, people. Well, I must say, I like the way that turned out. Like, This is probably the best that my foundation has ever looked. I know I said that in my last video, but I don't know. I like the combination of these two foundations, the Fenty Beauty and the Velvet, the Dream Velvet, which I clearly am going to have to get more of because it's kind of empty. I guess it's not clear to you guys, it's clear to me that I'm going to have to get more. Taking that same damp beauty sponge, I'm going to, I bought this today as well. This is super cute. I love the packaging. I love it looks super high end. It looks expensive. I mean, if it didn't say Fit Me on it in Maybelline, you really wouldn't know what it was. You would think it was from somewhere expensive, but this is some finishing. It's finishing. It says it's loose finishing powder, but I'm going to set with it because that's what I bought it for. Like, completely, that's what I bought it for. I don't know how I misread or misunderstood, but that's what I bought it for. Oh, and this is in the color Deep. So if you're thinking you might be my skin tone, this is in the color Deep. So like I said, I'm kind of setting with this powder. That's so annoying. I'm sorry. I'm going to do my brows off camera and I will be back. So now we're going to go in with concealer for my lids to prep for eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with this, what says eyeliner brush, but I would never use this for my eyeliner. Eyeliner. This is way too big for my eyeliner. This is more like a precision brush, but it says eyeliner, but we're going to go in and spread that out. So I have this little black book, and it just looks so, like, it looks like I dropped it 1,050,000,000 times. A million. I sound like my kids saying numbers. You ever hear kids like, oh, that's 1,000,055? I mean, I guess that could be around. No, it couldn't. Anyway, judge me in the comment section. I'm going to go in with this palette, this little book. It's called Little Black Book from Elf. I'm just going to go in with this brown right here. And take that in the crease. It looks like my skin. Now I'm going to go in with this darker color right here with the same brush. Sorry, I thought you could see that. Right here. I'm going to go in the crease with that. I'm going to try to stay in the crease. And go back in with that brown color that I had in the beginning. These colors are not coming off like they look in the pan. Like, the brown is coming off darker than the dark color. I don't understand. I don't understand. I don't get it at all. It's okay, I guess. Now I'm going to go in with this. I'm going to go in with this black that I clearly was a fan of because it's like missing. Same brush. I'm just going to do that in the outer corners. and bring it across my lid a little bit. Now I'm going to go in with this angled brush, and I'm going to take this golden color. I feel like that might be doing too much. I'm going to go to this one right here. I wanted that one, but I feel like that might take away from what I'm trying to do. So we're going to try this color first and then see how that goes. And I'm just going to, yeah, that's good. And I'm going to bring it as far across. I like it, guys. I'm going to take this blending brush from e.l.f. and I'm just going to blend this all out. Now I'm going to go in with this precision brush from the small precision brush from e.l.f. and I'm going to take this gold color that I wanted, and I'm going to pop that in the middle right here. I'm just going to blend that all out. And that is that eye. So I'm going to do the other eye off camera and I will be back. So there is the finished eyeshadow, not the finished eyes. Next I'm going to go in with this NYX Epic ink liner. I've never used one of these. This is the felt tip pen. It went out a little further than I wanted it to, but I don't like it. So my first impression of this pen, seeing as how it's my first time using it ever, any type of pen, I like the pen. I like how smooth it is, how, I mean, I wasn't used to it. I wasn't expecting that. Sorry, I was out of focus. I wasn't expecting it to do that. I wasn't expecting it to be so good. So I think that's kind of why my liner turned out like so bad. It looks so bad. Oh, this liner looks so bad. I don't know. We'll finish the look and then we'll see how it turns out. Now it is time to wipe this powder away. This is just a powder brush that I'm using. I want a bigger powder brush. This one doesn't do what I want it to, you know. I'm going to go in with this small angled brush. We're going to go in with this black, this darkest shade. And I'm going to blend that out. I'm not liking this brush, so I'm going in with this precision brush. And then I'm going to take that golden color and blend that all the way through. The same precision brush, I'm going to go in with my Be a Mermaid palette which I'm so in love with. And I'm going to take this, I'm going to take this color right here and pop that into the inner corners. Now going in with my Estee Lauder mascara, I'm going to prep the eyelashes for falsies. So I am back. I have put lashes on. I have put a liner in my waterline, my lower waterline, and mascara on my bottom lashes. Now it is time for a lip. I'm going in with this nudie pink color that it's a sample from Tarte. I'm just gonna go in with this. This is very matte and it dries down super fast. Ooh. Because this is so matte and so pink, oh my gosh, you can tell how matte it is. I'm going to tone it down and moisture it up with this, it's a shimmery goldish gloss. I think we may have done too much, just a little bit too much. It's okay though. We're gonna fix this. I'm going in with this NYX Professional Makeup matte lip liner in the color Vintage. If anybody knows where I can get a good dark lip liner, please let me know. And that is how you fix that lip. So what I did was I took liner because I needed something dark. I don't have anything dark, so I went in with a lip or eyeliner for an ombre effect and just lined it, and it turned it to look a little purple-ish instead of so pink. So it's more of a natural ombre but glam. I don't know, it just looks a lot better. It looks a lot better. These lashes though, they're just big lashes that did not need, they weren't necessary for this look. I should have went with a more subtle, thinner lash. These are very thick and very, very fake. So this is the final look. What do you guys think? I attempted to do a smoky eye and I think I did a pretty good job. You guys let me know down in the comment section. Yeah. If you guys like this video, let me know with a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that button. I love you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.